The confidence level naturally drops. And if you are in acting or dancing or singing, then your stage exposure is so good that you do not have any stage fear. You do not hesitate in talking to people. You do not hesitate in expressing yourself.
On the behalf of management of Bright Care High School, me Karthi Sharma welcome you and also thank you for sparing your precious time for our meritorious students. Now these are the meritorious students of our school and also the future of our nation. All we want is to distribute their mark sheet certificates to your always hand so that they can be inspired from you and also be ambitious like you in their lives. Now I request Principal Ma'am and your DPC Ma'am to distribute their mark sheet certificates. Yeah, she has scored 98.2% in her board examination. Ma'am, our DPC Ma'am to please share their experience and valuable words with our meritorious students so that they can get inspired.
Faculty who took this initiative of getting the students to meet me, because I'm sure for all of you, because had I been in your place and when I secured, had we got an opportunity, it's always inspiring and it always motivates us to do something better, to have a vision for our lives and to put in all the hard work to achieve that vision for us. चाहे हम जितना बोलें कि academics should not, it's not the only thing, you should have extracurriculars, but academics is also very important, because I agree that other experiences also shape the kind of personality that you become, but the kind of experiences that you have in the institution that you land into is dependent on the marks that you get. So इसीलिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप academically अच्छा परफॉर्म करें ताकि आप अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में, आपको अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में एक्सपोजर मिलता है. जैसे मैं जब 12th में थी तो मैंने स्टेट टॉप किया था एंड देन आई गॉट इनटू श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स फॉर BCom ऑनर्स, विच इज़ द एशियाज़ बेस्ट कॉलेज फॉर कॉमर्स. सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई से दैट academically उतना excel हम कर पाए, इसीलिए we landed up in an institution which is a matter of pride for the rest of my life, because that actually gave me a platform, gave me good exposure of what all is there. Because जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं हमारा एक स्कोप और एक एक्सपोजर बहुत लिमिटेड होता है. फिर हम कॉलेज में जाते हैं, when we meet with students from different places, और जब ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशन में जाते हैं जहाँ पे मिनिमम कट ऑफ ही 95% प्लस होती है, तो आप पूरे देश की क्रीम से मिलते हैं इन अ वे. So that is when we also learn a lot of things. With peer learning is also very it plays a very important role. तो इसीलिए अब जो भी आप आगे परस्यू करो, हमेशा academically अपने आप को इतना strong रखो that you always land up into good institutions. You develop when you are into activities like debating, like anchoring. ऐसी चीज़ें आप करते हैं, आप स्पोर्ट्स में जुड़े रहते हैं, सो योर ओवरऑल फिजिकल फिटनेस इज हाई. एंड देन फिजिकली इफ समवन इज फिट देन दे मेंटली ऑल्सो मच मोर एक्टिव एंड दे फील कॉन्फिडेंट इन देयर ओन स्किन. If someone is unfit, then they don't, the confidence level naturally drops. And if you are in acting or dancing or singing, then your stage exposure is so good that you do not have any stage fear. You do not hesitate in talking to people. You do not hesitate in expressing yourself, which takes you a long way. Because life is not just about books. It's about how you carry yourself, how you are able to do justice to whatever field you aspire to be in. तो वो सारी चीज़ों के लिए आपको अपने आप को एक होलिस्टिक एक्सपोजर देना है, अपने आप को एक ऑलराउंडर बनाना है, और जो भी आप लाइफ में परस्यू करना चाहते हो उसको आप अच्छे से मेहनत करो. और आज की डेट में सोशल मीडिया का एक्सपोजर इतना ज़्यादा होता जा रहा है, एंड आई फील अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इज़ गेटिंग वेस्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. So that is something where you have to, even we are, victims of that, I feel, because the attention span is decreasing. जो हमारे जब when we were studying, we did not have so many distractions. The current generation has a lot of distractions. So that is where you have to be much more cautious than we had to in our time. So you have to exercise restraint. You have to exercise more discipline for yourself so that you don't get distracted with all these attractive things which are coming around. Unfortunately, the penetration of drugs is also increasing. In school level, maybe you are not getting exposed to all that, but once you land up in college, you will have all kinds of influences around you. That is when your strength of character will come forward, that how strong are you as a person and how strong is your character, that you do not fall prey to all such negative influences. Always pick up only the positive things around you and ignore all the negative things around you. Because science also says एक negative thought को हटाने के लिए हमें 5 positive thoughts लगाने पड़ते हैं. So and naturally we also feel कोई negative चीज़ दिखती है वो दिमाग में ज़्यादा घूमती है, positive चीज़ दिखती है वो हम 10 पढ़ लेंगे हमें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, negative चीज़ stuck हो जाती है दिमाग में. So that's how brain works. So we have to exercise caution, we have to exercise our own sense of judgment, that we overcome any negative influence that comes in our life, and we just orient ourselves with positive thinking and positive experiences and try to do the best for yourself, for your family, for everybody. Because you have already, at 10th class you have achieved much better than your peers, and you have to keep that trajectory going upwards and higher always. So that is my message to all of you. And once again, I congratulate all the teachers here, because it's your hard work and their family's hard work which has actually their hard work also. Your hard work is primary, but a lot of support also one thing which is affecting the next generation. Mental fitness is also something which we need to talk about more. So I would request the teachers to ensure that the children do not hesitate in expressing whatever they are feeling. Maybe it might be someone is having negative emotions, maybe someone is having exposure to negative things around them. You should always have their comfort zone so that they are able to come forward and talk to you about whatever they are going through. And children should also be much more communicative, and you should always have that sense of judgment between right and wrong, and always stand up for what is right. All the best. Thank you.
प्रिंसिपल मैम और सर की वजह से, हम सब स्टूडेंट की वजह से मैं थैंक यू करती हूँ कि जिन्होंने हमें यहाँ पे लाया. हमें लगा नहीं था कि हम यहाँ पे कभी आ पाएंगे, पर सर और मैम बहुत
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.